Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So, as you can see, last time I did the unboxing video for this glass screen protector, and this one is the new iPhone 11 6.1 inch LCD version. So today I'm going to put this screen protector on for you guys to check it out. So let me try to wipe this out with this microfiber cleaning cloth. And be sure there's no lint or dust. Wow, there's like a already scratch on there. All right, so I just want to make sure I show it to the owner real quick. So there are a couple of the scratches over here already. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see anyway, so let's go ahead and then wipe it down again. All right, so it looks pretty clean. Going to peel this one out. So just let it go down by itself. And then we try to squeeze out the bubble. And then you want to go around the other edges. All right. So yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, so you see the notch right there, and then just line up with the glass so it make it easier. So I'm gonna peel this out right now. And then I'm gonna peel this one off. Okay, so just let it go down by itself, and then all you need to do is squeeze any of the bubble with the microfiber cleaning cloth. And you want to give it a little pressure. To squeeze out all the bubbles. So that looks pretty good to me. So let's go ahead and move on to the iPhone 11 Pro. That'll be this one. Again, I'm going to power on. And this is the glass screen protector. All right. So let's go ahead and do this. So again, I'm going to do the same thing. Squeeze it out the bubble. All right. Hey, YouTube, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to show you a quick videos on how to put this glass screen protector on for your brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Well, actually, I bought this for my wife's iPhone 10s Max. So since it is the same exactly design, so this will be work for the both units. So first of all, the original one has a plastic protective on there already. Okay. So hopefully when I try to take it out, there's no land or dust in there. And then I will be putting this right here, this one. I will need to peel this plastic protective on there, and then flip it this way, and then paste on there. So let's go ahead and try to peel this original protective on there. And try not to create dust. It looks pretty clean to me, so. Then I'm going to peel this one off. I gotta align it. And then you want to use your micro fiber cleaning cloth. Just kind of push it down to get all the bubble out. So yeah, you want to put this on before you remove the original plastic protective on film. And you will try to squeeze out all the bubble, give a little pressure. On the edges or whatever that's inside. And then that looks pretty clean to me. Okay? So that's a pretty good job. By the way, I got a couple of cases. This one is the Poeta case. Okay? And I got some of the Olympus 9 and then Armadillo Tech that I'm going to do the couple of the reviews on. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned and to let you guys see a different type of style of cases that I have, and for you guys to determine which one is good for you guys. Anyway, hopefully you guys like the video on how fast that you could install this glass screen protector for your brand new iPhone 11 or your 11 Pro or your 11 Pro Max. It is exactly the same way on how to put it on there or install it correctly. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and share this with your friend or family on social media. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.